Hey, hi, this is Manjunath Chandraya. Today we'll be learning how to use XLOOKUP function for multiple sheets. So I have a data here with the employee name and the department. These are the employee numbers. I need to get the name and the department. So there are two departments here. Department 1 has the employee name, the name and the department. Employee 2 has a few employees and their names and the department. I need to get this information to the final sheet. Let's start. So to get this, what we can do, we can use the XLOOKUP function, open bracket. So the employee, we are checking the employee number, so comma, lookup array, what we are looking at. So looking employee in the department. First go to the department 1, select this one. So freeze this cells using F4 function, comma. So next the return value. So return value is what we are trying to request, the name and the department. So I'm selecting both the range to do F4 function. So this will end the first condition. Hit enter. So now you can see this we're getting for one sheet. When you copy this formula down, it is not working for the other sheet. The condition is for one sheet, automatically taking the both the departments. So you can go here again, the left corner, just remove the open bracket, start with the comma, XLOOKUP again, repeat the same function. So D3, go to department 2, select this particular employee for the information, but we are searching in this for these employees. F4 to lock. So return array is nothing but department 2, we need this information. So I'm going to department 2, selecting this, placing it using F4 function. So default, if you don't give comma 0 or false for the exact match. So if you don't give also, it takes, because automatically it takes as a default as a exact match. It close the bracket, hit the enter. So we need to close double brackets. So now I'll copy this formula to down. Now you can see it's picked for the rest of the values. So it has one shot, it has taken all the information. No need to give each column. So once you give the range, it takes the range of all the information what you needed. So even there is a multiple sheet, you can start with the comma. So again you start with comma XLOOKUP for the other department. So you can add a number of sheets if there is. You can add that formula, repeat the same instruction and hit enter, and it will pick the data from all the sheets. So if I delete somewhere here payroll 1006, it is showing us 0 here. Payroll. So easily taking the data. I hope this formula was helpful. Please comment for any other function you want to learn. So I'll try to do a video on that. Thank you guys for your time.